remote work becoming so popular, especially among young people like myself and like yourself? Well, it is because it offers a lot of benefits, and in this video I'll be sharing all of it without any cap with you. I'm going to be sharing all the tips and the tools that you need to start. If you have ever dreamt of trading in your office key or dropping your resignation letter for your boss, in today's video I'm going to be diving into how you can start your remote work journey. So whether you're just curious or seriously considering a shift to remote life, this video is for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss any of my content about finding your path in this remote space. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports this channel. Now let's look at why remote work is becoming so popular among youths like myself and like yourself. Well, it offers several benefits, and one of those benefits is flexibility. You can set your own schedule, which allows you for a better work-life balance. This would also enable you to have time to do other things that you cherish the most. Productivity. Many people find that they are less distracted and more productive outside their 9-to-5 or traditional office. Another thing it offers you is opportunity, access to jobs that might not be available locally, expanding your career opportunity globally, which is why everybody is trying to find their feet in this industry. Now let me share a bit of my journey. I started working remotely 4+ years ago, and it has been a game changer. Initially, I struggled, discipline myself, trying to work from home was tough. But along the line, I was able to become productive. So whether you're an early morning person, an afternoon person, or an evening person, or even a night person, you can totally find your feet and find satisfaction while working remotely. So if you're interested in starting your remote work journey, here is how you can get started. The first thing you need to do is skill assessment. This is very crucial for anyone who wants to thrive over time here. Identify your skills and determine how they can fit into remote setting. Being tech savvy, discipline are also key aspects of functioning well in this field. The next is job hunting. Use remote job boards like We Work Remotely, remote.co, FlexJob, Upwork to find opportunities that suit your skill set. Very important, networking. Engage with remote work communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit. Connect with other experts in the field on different social media platforms so that you can get mentorship. Also, successfully working remotely requires more than just your laptop or a good internet. Here are my top tips for a thriving remote working environment. 1. Create a dedicated workspace. This would help you to mentally separate your life and your work. Next, invest in reliable gadgets. Ensure that your internet connection and device can handle your workload, especially if you begin to work with multiple clients at the same time. Establish a routine. Set regular times where you can take break and a consistent schedule that can immensely help you manage your workload. Working remotely is very interesting, but you need to be intentional about it. Working remotely is also an exciting path with plenty of opportunity and of course its own set of challenges, but with the right preparation you can make it work beautifully for your lifestyle. So if you're considering working remotely, take all of these tips that I've shared with you today and get to work. Don't wait again, don't sleep on your grind. This is a beautiful place, and the fact that you can earn in hard currency makes it more beautiful, right? Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this gives you a good starting point to consider whether remote work is right for you. Let me know in the comment section if you're already working remotely or if you're planning to. Do not forget to share this video with someone who might be looking into remote work. Drop your question or share your remote work experience in the comment below. I'd love to really hear from you and build a community here where I'm sharing insightful content that can be very beneficial to your growth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future content. Check out other videos that will be tagged in this video. On this channel, I create content on remote work, side hustle, tools and gadgets that you need to thrive in this space. So if this is what you're looking for in a content creator, then you want to stick around.